Hey y'all, it's Alan from DoMyOwn.com. Today at DMO HQ, we're going to be talking about applying Pre Emergent Herbicide granules. A Pre Emergent herbicide is something that you apply before the weeds emerge, hence the term Pre Emergent. Now what happens is that Pre Emergent goes down into the soil about 1 to 2 inches and creates a barrier to where the weeds cannot come up through there. Picking the right Pre Emergent is very important. The application depends on location and weather. Now you want to apply the Pre Emergent after the ground is thawed from winter, but not too late after the weather has warmed up. It is ideal to make sure the Pre Emergent application gets down before the soil temperature reaches 55 degrees. You can use a soil thermometer to determine the temperature of your lawn by inserting it 1 to 2 inches in the ground. All right, now that you have your timing established, it's time to start applying the Pre Emergent. Now before you start, remember that if you do not apply at the rate recommended on the label, it may not be nearly as effective. Fill your spreader at the application rate listed on the label. Then you'll need to calibrate your spreader based on the manufacturer settings. Once you're ready, spread the granules evenly by pressing or cranking on the handle of your spreader. Go back and forth over your entire lawn, picking up the guard wheel or laying down the edge of the spreader to prevent the granules from getting on your driveway or sidewalk. If they do, just simply brush them or sweep them back onto your lawn. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to check the product label to see if the product needs to be watered in. If it does, you need to water it in with at least a ½ inch of water within 3 days. If you see in the weather forecast that it's going to rain within the next 24 hours, let Mother Nature do the work for you. We hope you'll continue to follow along with us by subscribing to our channel, viewing our product videos, or our DIY videos. Now remember, if you have any questions, feel free to email or call our customer support staff. We really appreciate you watching the video.